In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Smartsheet Workspace ownership, whether you're transitioning to a new role, restructuring project management, or simply updating your team's workflow. Transferring ownership in Smartsheet is a straightforward process that can make a big difference in maintaining continuity and efficiency. First, let's get started by accessing the Admin Center. This is your main hub for managing users and permissions within Smartsheet. You'll typically find a link to the Admin Center on your Smartsheet homepage, often located in the navigation pane or under your account settings. Once you've located it, go ahead and click through to access the Admin Center. Now that you're in the Admin Center, the next step is to navigate to User Management. This section is crucial because it lists all the users you have within your account environment, along with their roles and permissions. It'll allow you to manage who has access to what within your organization. On the User Management page, you'll need to find the specific user who currently owns the workspace you want to transfer. Scrolling through an extensive list can sometimes be daunting, but thankfully, Smartsheet usually offers sorting or search functionalities. Use these to quickly locate the user in question. Once you have identified the current workspace owner, the next action is to transfer ownership. Smartsheet typically requires you to follow a set of prompts to complete this task. These prompts will guide you through the necessary steps to transfer the ownership rights from the current owner to another person within your team or organization. During this transfer process, you may be asked to select a new owner for the workspace and confirm the transfer action. Make sure the new owner is someone who is familiar with the workspace and is prepared to take on its responsibilities. This ensures there will be no disruptions to your projects or tasks. As you confirm the transfer, it's wise to communicate with both the outgoing and incoming workspace owners to ensure everyone is on the same page. This helps to smooth out any transitions and mitigates any misunderstandings or disruptions. If there are any special instructions or notes regarding the workspace or its tasks, sharing these details during the handover can be incredibly helpful. And there you have it. By following these steps in sequence, you can easily transfer workspace ownership in Smartsheet. It's a process designed for simplicity and transparency, ensuring your team's projects continue to run smoothly no matter who holds the reins. If you have any questions or run into any snags, Smartsheet's support resources, or even a quick consult with a tech-savvy colleague can offer further assistance. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful in optimizing your project's management workflow.